Hello everyone. In this we will see the our next problem, which is the easy problem of word pattern. So given the pattern and a string yes, find the yes. Find if yes follows the same pattern. So here follows means a full match, such that there is a bijunction between letter in pattern and non-empty word in yes. So the thing is, here we will be given a pattern such as a b b a, and the string which contains the different words like dog, cat, cat, dog, and we should compare these both are same. So here the both are same means here we have a b b a. So here similarly we have dog and dog. So here since we had a and a, here we have dog and dog, and in middle we have b and b. So we have here we have cat and cat. So in same way, that is the reason we are returning true. And if we take the example 2, here you can see here we have a b b a, and dog, cat, cat, fish. So since here the first and last words are not matching in this given string, so here we have a b, a, and in middle b b. So the first and last word should be same, and middle two words should be same. But here the middle two words are same, but the first and last words are not same. So that is the reason here we are returning false. Similarly, in example 3, if you take, we have all the patterns are same, and all the characters in a patterns are same. So that means in string we should have all the words should be same. Then we can return true, else we have to return false. Since we have dog and dog, dog, cat, cat. So this is not matched with the pattern, so that is the reason here we are returning false. So the solution is here. You can see the solution here. One more thing here, the one problem here is, like if we compare like a first a last a, dog, dog is matched, and in middle, like for example if we take this example, and first a last a we compared with first word and last word, dog, dog matched, and the middle characters if we compare b b, cat, cat is matched. If we write the logic that way, it will not going to work for this example. If you see, if we write that way, then this here it will return true, because a, dog, dog we have yes, and a, and in middle we have dog, dog. So sorry, cat, cat. So it will return true, but it should return false, because here a are same, but the words in middle the words are different. So we have to handle that such case as well in this our program. So let's see our program with the example. So let me just annotate this. So here what we are doing is, initially we are creating a two dictionaries, d1 and d2, using default dict, and it will store the strings. And initially we are splitting, this is our given example 1. So we have pattern a p p a, and the string dog, cat, cat, and dog. So initially we are splitting the string and into words, and then we are checking the first condition, whether both are the length of the both pattern and number of words are same or not. If they are different, then we directly return the false, because we no need to check, go and check, loop over the pattern, because uh, to match the string, should if you want to match the string with number of words in a string with pattern, then the number of words in a string should be same as number of characters in the pattern. So that is the reason we have this condition. And then here we are iterating through the for loop, and in a for loop we are iterating through the pattern as well as our given our words which we have splitted the string and created the words. So initially initially we get a. In I we get a, and in j we get dog. And we check if this character is present in dictionary. So d1 stores like character and its string, its word, and d2 stores a word and its character. The reason why we are using two dictionaries is because to handle the last case which I have mentioned. So here initially it will check whether a is present or not. A is not present, so it will store a and its word a dog. And then it has gone to else and it has stored a and dog. And here it will go to, it will here also it will go to the else case and it will store dog and a. And in next it will store b, it will come to b and cat, and it will again store here in initial else if else condition it will store b cat, and in this second if else condition it will store cat and b. And in third iteration here b is repeated, so it will check whether b is present or not. It is present, so it will go to if condition, and it will here it will check if b is not equal to cat. If b is not equal to cat, then will be directly returning false. But here if already the character is present, then it should be equal to the like previously what the value we had. So that is what here we are checking. So here we are checking whether cat is here d1 of I, which is d1 of b, we get cat. Cat is not equal to j is cat. So cat is not equal to cat, then we are directly returning false. So else we will be again storing in this. So since here in we get b and it is actually equal to cat, so here will not be doing anything and it will not go inside else condition as well. Similarly here as well it will come to cat and it will check if cat is present or not in d2. It is present, so its value is b, so its value should be equal to our I. So that is what here it is checking. Its value is not equal to I, then we are directly going to return false since pattern is string is not matching the pattern. Else we will be if it is a new character, we will be storing that new character. Else will be doing nothing if that character is present but it's equal to the character is equal to the word. So since here our word is we for cat we got b, and the like our I value is also b, it will not do anything. So it will check it will go to next iteration, which is a. Similar to the previous one, it is also like a. It will check a whether a is present. Here a is present and a value is dog, and dog will be compared with j value. If they are not equal, this is false, so it will not go inside a if condition. Similarly here it will go it will check whether a is present. It will check now dog. It will check a is not equal to I, which is a. So it is false, so it will not go inside this if condition as well. So the iteration will end here. So that is how we will be going to return true here. So for example, in this example 2 case, if we take this example 2 case, the reason why we are taking writing this if condition 2 times, and also why we are taking the dictionary 2 times means here we get to know. Here we have 4 a's and dog cat dog. So here the actual answer should return false, but if we for example assume if we haven't if we have written only if condition, so initially it will check a. A is not present, so it will assign a to dog, and then in next, and also it will in next in second if condition it will assign dog to cat. So in next iteration it will check whether a is present, so a is present, and it will check a value is dog is not equal to cat. So here the condition has become false and will be directly returning false. In if in case if we haven't written if we didn't had this code at all, then it would have not returned anything else, because it would have gone to this if condition, and it would have checked cat is present or not. Cat is not present, so it would have written cat a, and again it would have gone to the third iteration to cat, and again cat is present and it is equal to a, and again it would have gone to dog, next to word which is dog, and dog value is a. So that's how it would have written true instead of the actually it should return false. So that is the reason we are returning two if conditions, and we are taking two dictionaries. Even if we take if so this if we take this example where all the words in a string are same and the pattern is different, for example a b b a, dog dog dog. So here initially it will assign a to a is dog, so it will assign a to dog, and here dog to a, and again b is not present, so b to dog. But if we didn't had this second if condition, again here this would have assumed like b and this dog and this dog are different, like b to dog, and again it would have come in next iteration, again it would have checked b is present and dog is equal to dog. So and again in next iteration a is present again, and for a value we have dog and this is equal, so it would have written true. But because we have written the second if condition, it is coming here, and it is in first iteration itself it is assigning dog to a, and in next iteration it is checking dog is present or not. It is present, but value of dog is a here, but here in actual pattern is b. So that's how we are returning here false. So that's how by writing these two condition and using these two dictionaries, we are handling the all edge cases. So that's how it's returning true. And since here we are traversing through the given string which is yes only once, here we are traveling while splitting the string, we'll be traveling throughout the string once. So that is the reason the time complexity is order of n, where n is the length of the given string, not the pattern given string, because while splitting the string we are iterating through the whole string. And also here inside inside for loop we are iterating through the like unique strings. So unique strings will be always less than or equal to the length of the string yes. So that is the reason the time complexity will remain order of n, and the space complexity is order of n, that too, because let's assume like if a in given string, if in worst case if we have only one character in each word, then in that case like we will be have and each character represent a word, and each word is, if assume each word are different like unique, then in that case like in our dictionary we will be allocating n values, like we will be storing n characters like n words. So that is the reason our space complexity also be order of n in worst case. So in best case like it would be order of like number of unique words in the given string. So this is the space complexity and time complexity of the our program. And yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll share the link of this program, this image, and this solution of this solution in the description of this video. And thank you for watching.